These tiny round fruits grow in bunches and they come in green or purple. Can you guess? Stay for the secret challenge. Welcome to Kids Coloring Art. Let's draw. First, the stem. Thin curved line going up with a leaf on the side. Grab your pencils and let's go. Draw along with me. Now, little circles. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Each one a perfect round grape. Draw along with me. Keep adding circles below, filling in the gaps like a yummy triangle of grapes. Secret challenge at the end. Don't leave. Almost there. Last few circles and our grape bunch is now let's make it bold. Watch, each line getting bolder, more beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Outline done. Now, coloring time! Let's go! Look at these gorgeous colors. Red, yellow, brown, black, green, blue, purple, orange, light green, pink. Comment your favorite color below. Satisfying part. Coloring every single grape. Purple. Rich, deep, gorgeous purple. One by one. Filling in each little circle. So satisfying. Leave a tiny white dot inside grape. That is the shine.
STUVWXYNZ. Now I know my AB.
Makes them look like real juicy grapes. Looking amazing!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
The challenge is coming up right now. And secret challenge is coming up right now. Wow! Look at that! Secret challenge time! Draw these grapes again, but give each a different color. Rainbow grapes, yes! Take a photo, show grown up. You are a superstar artist. Today you drew a gorgeous grapes. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for a new drawing every single week. Next video, something even more delicious is coming. Can you guess? Bye bye, little superstar!